Here we are at Eagle Gun Range in Louisville, Texas. We recently sold them some PolySorpt sound absorption panels for their side and back wall of the shooting range. You can see it covers the entire back wall, the side wall, all the way up to the shooting stands. The idea here is to quiet down the area for the people at the range itself. You can hear the next range over as I am speaking. All of the ranges in this facility use this product, and the owners are very pleased, and they say they've gotten very good comments back from the people using the range.